everyone, so today we're going to be making wild garlic pesto, as you can see from the title. Here I am going to get some wild garlic for the pesto. Here's some wild garlic. It smells so nice. Today we're going to be making wild garlic pesto. It's super yummy and it's super easy. So you need 150 grams of wild garlic. Before you put it in the blender, make sure you chop it up. Chop some garlic up, and we're going to put that in first because it's small. So now that's done. And so now we're going to be putting in the garlic, wild garlic, not the garlic. We've already put some in, but you should have 150 grams of wild garlic. So I'm going to put it in. It grows quite a lot of the place. It smells like a garlicky, chivy sort of smell. It's very nice. And I can also smell some lemon, which we're going to be putting in soon. So now we're going to be putting in the zest of the lemon. Now it looks like very sort of vibrant yellow, and it smells very nice. It's like both of the garlics that I've put in already. And now we're going to be putting in some toasted pine nuts, which smell very nice. They're nicer when they are toasted, like when they're toasting and they're still hot, but they still smell very nice. There. And now we're going to be putting in some Parmesan cheese. The last ingredient we're going to put in is 100 milliliters of olive oil and 50 milliliters of rapeseed oil. Now we're going to put it in the blender.
Okay.
Look at all that pesto! It goes, I think it's done, and it goes really well with whole wheat pasta. You might not like it with whole wheat pasta, and you might be able to find something else. And if you do, tell me in the comments what it is. And what a coincidence, it sort of matches my top. You can see here my bowl is full. Now that I've eaten all the food in my bowl, it's empty. Hope you enjoyed the video, guys.